Hi guys, in previous video of MCP server, I have demonstrated how to create MCP server application. What are all prerequisites required to run the MCP server application, and how to test the MCP server application using the MCP inspector. So in this video, I will show you how to run the MCP server application from client and how you can utilize your MCP server in different clients. Okay, so in first I will show you how to add the MCP server into the Cloud desktop app. Okay, so for that I just need to open a Cloud desktop app. Okay, Cloud desktop app. Then let the Cloud desktop app open. Okay, so now you need to go to menu, go to file, and then click on setting button, and then you need to go to a developer section, and you can edit config. You will redirect to the path where the edit config file is there. It's a JSON file. Right click on that file, open with Visual Studio Code. Now you need to add MCP server JSON object here. So it's a JSON object. It's a metadata in JSON structure which tells a Cloud client that this is the MCP server and how to run it. Okay, so let's add our locally develop application. So in previous video also I have shown the application. Let me give a brief. 1 minute. You can see the weather.py. Okay, weather.py, we have written previously the weather get weather application, get weather function. Okay, so now what I have added, list of cities. It another tool I have added, list of cities, which will return a city list which the weather information available for. Okay, so it will return as a list, and this is a tool, and this is the metadata which is very important to understand Cloud that which tool does what. Okay, so this metadata is information what it takes, what is a parameter, what is argument, each parameters description you can mention here, so that it will utilize this information while calling these tools internally. So let's add this tool. This is not, oh yeah, in this config file you need to add the app name. In our case it's a weather, and then it's wrong. 1 minute. And then you need to add command. Command is uv. Then there is argument run, then the Python file name weather.py. Okay, and since the Cloud is running in a different directory and our application resides in a different directory, we need to also provide the directory path where our Python file exists. So for that we need to add another command argument, directory. So directory name you can get it from here. Copy path, paste here. You just you need to add double slash in path. Okay, it's done. So this is the command which requires to register your application into the Cloud app. You just I think one missing thing is there. Let me close the bracket. Now I think it's okay. The bracket is correct. Press save. Then what you should do, restart the Cloud app. Hmm. Let the Cloud app enable. Yes, it started. You have to first ensure that your MCP server is registered with Cloud. For that, you need to click on plus, go to connectors, and you should see like this whether this is our application name. It's enabled. Okay. So let's ask Cloud now. What all cities weather data available? Let's see. So it's shown that the New York, you can see New York, Los Angeles, which we are returning, Chicago, Houston, and Phoenix. So these are uh, the cities we are currently returning. It is called the tool. You can see list is this tool is called, okay, and from this it got this result and it given in the chatbot answer. Okay, so now let's ask. It is showing actually which of these cities whether you need to show. So I'll just show New York. New York, I can say. So now it will again check the tools. It got the tool get weather, and you can see the get weather tool is called, and the way we have returned from it, the weather is city name is sunny and warm today. So this is how the MCP client can subscribe to or call to the MCP server tools and get the required data or external data from it and utilize it and uh, give the answer. Okay, so this is the how we can do in a Cloud application. In next video, I will show you how to call the MCP server from the uh, from the Visual Studio Code Visual Studio Code MCP client. So from Visual Studio Code, uh, basically using a GitHub Copilot, you can call the your MCP server tools and get the results. So I will show you that in my next video. So if you like this video, please like the video and share with your friend if it is helpful, or and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.